Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Lamicall waterproof phone pouch. It works with phones up to 7 inches and it does work even with Galaxy S23 Ultra. You will have a bit of a struggle even with it works even with the case. You'll struggle a bit to place it through this hole, but then once in is perfect. And it also has a floating design. There's a this compartment is has air, so it will float on the water, and they give you two as well, which is brilliant. I think it's a IPX waterproof, and normally some phones these days are water kind of resistant anyway, a part of iPhone. So you get the lanyard, put on around your neck like in here. And what is really lovely to see is that you get two of them. Yeah. So let me show you with one of them. The other one is exactly the same. And you can see it has air inside, and it opens like that. There's a little handle in there as well. Yeah, let's see. So you just open it like that, and that's the hole through which you need to put your phone. So I'm gonna place the phone in there. That's for the camera, and this is for the touch. So make sure you place it in correctly. Yeah. And then I guess with the lanyard, let's see how it works with this. Actually, it doesn't say in here. Okay, yeah, fine. I don't need to show you. You just attach it onto this. Easy. So then you just put this back like so, and you secure it, and that's it. And what is lovely about this is you have your camera, so you can take photos, and then this will also work. Look, you can turn on your flashlight, turn it off, and you understand the rest. So you can still operate your phone, the touch will still work, and you have it like this on your neck. Let's say you go to the seaside, you don't need to worry about splashing your phone with salt. And yeah, especially if you're doing any some water sports, this will be brilliant. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.